It didn't start with a bang. It didn't even start with anything you'd call serious, just a faint clatter under the hood, the kind of sound most people ignore because it seems harmless. But a few drives later, the check engine light flicked on. Weeks after that, the owner of a 2011 Audi Q5 found himself staring at a repair quote that would make anyone nauseous: $6,000. The diagnosis? A timing chain tensioner that had given up. It's a tiny component, but when it stops doing its job, it can take the entire engine down with it. And the harsh truth is that this wasn't an isolated failure. Thousands of Audi owners ended up in the same situation, many of them wondering why such an expensive vehicle came with such an enormous flaw. So how did a respected luxury brand end up with such a widely known problem? And more importantly, if you're thinking about buying a used Audi, which models should you stay far away from? And which ones are genuinely worth your money? Today, we're breaking down the 3 Audi models that turned out to be long-term disasters, followed by 4 that earned their reputation as solid, sensible buys. We have to begin with the first and most infamous entry on the avoid at all costs list, the 2009 to 2012 Audi Q5 equipped with the 2.0-liter turbo engine. On paper, this SUV had everything going for it. It was stylish, well-equipped, practical, and exactly the kind of vehicle that drew people to Audi in the first place. But none of that mattered once you looked inside the engine bay. The timing chain tensioner used in these years was notorious for failing unpredictably. One day it worked fine, the next day it could let go without warning, sending the chain out of sync and destroying the engine almost instantly. Audi never issued a widespread recall. Instead, they quietly launched a limited service campaign that only helped a fraction of owners. Everyone else, they were left to deal with catastrophic repairs on their own. Unless a seller can prove beyond any doubt that the updated tensioner was installed, this generation of the Q5 is a serious financial gamble. And unfortunately, this wasn't the only model bitten by this exact design flaw. The second vehicle to avoid is the 2009 to 2011 Audi A4, which used the same 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. Naturally, it suffered from the same timing chain tensioner weaknesses, but the A4 had an additional set of headaches that made ownership even tougher. The biggest one was extreme oil consumption. Some owners reported the car burning a quart every 500 miles. That's the kind of oil loss you expect from a worn-out 1980s beater, not a modern luxury sedan. Audi initially tried to downplay the issue by calling it normal, but when drivers found themselves pouring oil under the hood nearly every week, it became obvious something was fundamentally wrong. Add in carbon buildup on the intake valves, something direct injection engines are prone to, plus PCV system failures that happen far too early, and you're looking at a car that behaves like it's constantly begging for repairs. You can polish the exterior all you want, but the truth is simple. This Audi generation hides too many mechanical flaws. And if you think stepping up to a larger luxury model would solve things, the next one might change your mind.
The third Audi you should think twice about is the 2012 to 2015 Audi A6, powered by the 3.0-liter supercharged V6. This is one of those cars that looks like it should be the perfect combination of speed, comfort, and technology. And when everything works, it really is impressive. But reliability? That's where things start to unravel. Owners frequently reported water pump failures, thermostat issues, and, you guessed it, timing chain complications. But unlike the smaller 2.0-liter engines, the chains on this V6 are located at the back of the engine, so even a minor repair becomes an expensive, time-consuming job. On top of that, some supercharger units required servicing much earlier than expected, adding even more cost. What you end up with is a sedan that feels premium when you drive it, but quietly accumulates expensive problems behind the scenes. Now that we've covered the models that earned their bad reputations, let's turn to the ones that prove Audi can build genuinely dependable cars when they get things right. First on the best picks list is the B9 generation Audi A4, which debuted in 2017. This was the moment Audi decided to clean up the mess left by the previous generation. They completely reworked the 2.0-liter engine, addressing the 2 biggest complaints: timing failures and oil consumption. Both were dramatically reduced. In normal use, this engine is far more stable and predictable. Inside, Audi went all in on comfort and technology. The materials feel premium without being fragile, the virtual cockpit display is crisp and intuitive, and the car strikes a rare balance between sporty handling and daily drive comfort. It's the version of the A4 that customers always hoped Audi would build, and finally did. If you want a modern luxury sedan without the drama, the B9 Audi A4 is a smart place to start. But the next car is for drivers who want something a little more fun. The third-generation Audi TT, launched in 2016, is one of the most overlooked gems in the lineup. It isn't the flagship performance model, and it doesn't get the same attention as the S and RS models. But as a complete package, it's shockingly good. Lightweight, responsive, and built around a refined version of the E888 engine, the TT avoids the major reliability concerns of earlier Audis. By this point, Audi had worked out the major engine issues that haunted previous models. The oil consumption problems were under control, the PCV failures were much less common, and the E888 engine gained a solid reputation for dependability when maintained properly. The TT's simplicity is one of its biggest advantages. Fewer complicated systems means fewer things waiting to break. Whether you choose the coupe or the convertible, it's a stylish, quick, and surprisingly dependable choice. But what if you need space for more than two people? That's where the next pick shines.
The second-generation Audi Q7, introduced in 2017, stands out as one of the most improved models in the brand's entire history. The older Q7 generation had a reputation for electrical failures, problematic air suspension components, and aging technology. The newer version fixed the majority of those issues, and for families, it's one of the most practical luxury SUVs on the market. Models equipped with the 3.0-liter turbo V6 benefit from a heavily revised design that significantly boosts reliability. As long as you follow basic maintenance, this engine can rack up miles without major surprises. Inside, the Q7 feels premium but not overly complicated, and the ride quality is smoother than many of its competitors. Compared to rivals like the BMW X5 and the Mercedes GLE, the Q7 often ends up being the more durable long-term option. It delivers luxury without the usual fragility that people fear in German SUVs. And if you want something with real performance while still staying on the reliable side, the next model deserves your attention. The Audi S4 from 2018 onward is a rare success story in the world of performance luxury sedans. Earlier S4 generations were fun, but they came with engines and transmissions that didn't always age gracefully. Audi solved that by moving to a 3.0-liter single-turbo V6 paired with a sturdy 8-speed automatic. The combination delivers serious speed, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, while avoiding the reliability traps of previous generations. The interior is clean and well laid out, offering luxury without overwhelming you with unnecessary features. It's a car that appeals to people who want real performance, but don't want to spend their weekends hunting down electrical issues or paying for exotic repairs. Among modern Audi performance models, the 2018 Plus S4 stands out as one of the smartest buys. So what's the bottom line? Audi has produced some fantastic cars, but they've also had several models plagued with preventable engineering flaws. The 2009 to 2012 Q5, the 2009 to 2011 A4, and the 2012 to 2015 A6 all suffered from serious problems that made them more expensive to maintain than they were ever worth. These cars looked great on dealership lots, but hid major long-term issues under their hoods. But the newer models tell a different story. The B9 A4, third-generation TT, second-generation Q7, and the modern S4 show that Audi can build vehicles that are stylish, fast, comfortable, and genuinely dependable when they learn from past mistakes. If you're planning to buy a used Audi, the safest strategy is simple. Look for something built in 2016 or later, verify the maintenance history, and avoid the older engines that carried known design flaws. With the right choice, owning an Audi can be exactly what it should be: enjoyable, exciting, and free from unpleasant surprises.